Yo, what's up guys, this is Bart Bregman here from IQOptionWiki.com with another strategy tutorial video, and today I want to talk about the pin bar candlestick and how we can use that to determine a trend reversal in a very stable market. This is a strategy that can be used in a steady trend, and if we have a steady trend up or down, we can determine the reversal. So let's go to our website, 1 second. We have an article here that goes really in depth into the pin bar candles. You can see here you have bearish and bullish candles. This is a good, here below there's a good image here that shows we have a nice steady downtrend, and then we get a bullish pin bar. The longer the pin is of the bar, the better the signal is. And then you see here a trend reversal, and the other way around, a bearish pin bar from an uptrend going down. So now let's take that in mind, and let's look at a few examples in the IQ option platform, how we can use that in our trading. Now in the IQ option platform, one example here of the pin bar candle. What you need to know about the pin bar candle is that you need to wait before it really closes, because in the last seconds of the candle can still move up and down, of course. So you wait for it until it's completely closed, and then you look at the next candle, and if that candle is bullish, that means that it's most likely a trend reversal. So if you look here, drawing tools, if you look here at this candle here, this is a nice steady downtrend. And then what happened is it made a pin bar candle. So now what it does is the candle shoots all the way down, and then the sellers get exhausted, the buyers become in control, and then it comes back up. It starts having a little bit of price fighting here, and then in the next candle you have a trend reversal. That is the idea of the pin bar candle, and it's a nice way or a nice signal to see a trend reversal. Let's check at another example. Yeah, here we have three examples of pin bars. If you see here, you have a nice downtrend, and then all of a sudden a little bit flux in the market, and you see here a very heavy pin bar candle, and that made a trend reversal to the upside. Here again, a nice downtrend, and then you have this red pin bar candle that initially did show us the uptrend here. If we look up a little bit here, it shows us a doji. In a previous video I explained the doji. I will put a link in the description down below about the doji candle. And then again it made a pin bar, so that is a double confirmation that a downtrend will follow. In this case it was a very small downtrend, but after a uptrend we could identify that there was a down movement in the market by these two candles after each other. So those are very good indicators to determine on your candlestick chart that a reversal is gonna occur. Now this only works in a steady trend, because if there is a lot of volatility, these candles will not be reliable, and that's why I always say try to find multiple strategies, try to learn multiple things, to combine those things to determine a trend reversal, and build on top of that your own strategy, so you become a better trader. Now if you want a demo account for IQ option as well, go to our website and go to the right sidebar over here, and Here you can sign up for a free demo account with IKEoptionWiki.com, and you can start practicing this pin bar strategy, or start looking for those pin bars. And if you want to know more strategies, look at my YouTube channel and visit our website IKEoptionWiki.com. We have loads of new value there for you to learn and become a better trader. If you want to see the next upcoming video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss him. If you like this video, please like. If you want some other topics to be covered, please put the topics you want to cover or your questions in the comments down below. I will have a look at that as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. This was Bart from IKEoptionWiki.com. Good luck trading.